Hi, I'm Braden Posey. I own Scissors and Scotch in Kansas City and St. Louis, Missouri. We're a service-based business, high-end barbershop with a full bar. I'm a Vistage member, have been for a couple years, love it. Today I got the experience of working with Dale. He came in and taught me a bunch of stuff about business valuation as well as contribution margin that we're going to use actively in our businesses going forward. I would highly recommend him. So Dale, take it away.
Thank you, Braden. Hey, it's a real pleasure to be here with Jeff Hutsell in Kansas City to talk to his groups. I'm a Vistage speaker. I've spoken over 475 times in 7 countries, and I have a business optimization company and a certified valuation company to help companies to reach their valuation objectives. But most importantly, I want to tell you that joining a Vistage group is the most important decision you can make as an executive, both for your personal strength and your business strength, but your relationships and leadership skills. So look up a Vistage group, research it, and come join what I think is the best thing you can do as an executive. So thank you, Jeff, and your team. Braden, it was great working with you today.
Too, sir.
And I wish everybody the best. Find your Vistage group.